Hey everyone, welcome to S4K Rugby. My name is Coach Mark and this is my friend Addison. Can you give everyone a big wave, Addison? And today we are going to be showing you some of the skills from our rugby practice at home books, which we give to our parents, children and coaches at our lessons which run all over the UK. So, Addison, are you ready to do some rugby skills?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes? Can you give me high fives? 3? Okay, alright, let's do it. Okay, so our first skill we're going to work on is our butterfly wings. So we use our butterfly wings so that we can keep a firm grip on the rugby ball to make sure that we don't lose it if we have it under one arm, and also so that it creates some indecision in our opposition. So when we're running with it, if we're doing this with the ball, like this, it means they're not too sure what we're going to do. So it makes it better for us in terms of being able to pass the ball. It gives us more options. So what we're going to do, Addison, is we're going to learn today, and we're going to teach all of our people at home. Can you give them a wave like that? Can you give them a big wave? Can you wave? We are going to teach all of our people, all of our children, all of our parents at home how to hold the ball with our butterfly wings, okay? So the first thing we have to do, that's very good, is we have to get our thumbs. And can we put our thumbs together like this? Thumbs together, very good. And then we are going to spread our wings like this. Spread your wings. Can you spread your wings like this? So nice and big. Show me nice and big. So just your thumbs, tips of the thumbs together, mums and dads, and spreading the hands and the fingers.
Big hands.
You've got big hands. You've got bigger hands than me.
No.
Are you sure? Whoa, you've got giant's hands! Alright, so we're going to keep our... You've got both hands, well that's good. We need both hands for this. So put your thumbs together, and we make sure, mums and dads, that the ball is facing forwards like so, not horizontal, it's got to be vertical like that. And we're going to take our thumbs, Addison, remember with our butterfly wings, show me your other wings, show me, and flap your wings like this, flap your wings. And we're going to touch our thumbs onto the ball, like this, and then we're going to pick it up, okay? There he goes! Look at that, and these are our butterfly wings. Now, we need to make sure that we hold the ball like this at all times. We use our mantra S4K, we talk about 2 hands, 2 hands. So we always say 2 hands when we're running with the ball, so we can encourage the kids to keep it under control the whole time with 2 hands. The last thing we say, you've got another funny face. The last thing we say is we want to make sure that we hold the ball like a hot dog, like this. Not like a burger, like this, because some of our kids will try and hold the ball sideways like this. So, should we hold it like a hot dog?
No.
Like this, thumbs together? And then that's our butterfly wings. So should we try it one more time? Do you think we can show everyone how to do it?
Yeah.
So ready? Put the ball on the floor, ball down. Excellent. Can you put your thumbs together? Can you spread your butterfly wings? And then can you put your thumbs on the ball? And can you pick it up? Yeah, well done. Put the ball down. And give yourself a big round of applause. Big clap, big clap. Very good. Can you take a bow? Take a bow like this. Well done. Big bow like this. High fives. Yeah, excellent. Well done. Thanks for watching. You can join any of our S4K rugby classes all over the UK by heading to www.sportforkids.biz. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Big waves. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye.